AI in agriculture.
AI is playing a crucial role in transforming agriculture by improving crop management, increasing yields, and reducing environmental impact. AI-powered drones and sensors can monitor crop health in real time, identifying signs of disease, pest infestations, or nutrient deficiencies. This allows farmers to take action before problems escalate, improving crop productivity. In addition, AI is being used to optimize irrigation and fertilization processes, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water and nutrients. This not only maximizes yield but also reduces waste and conserves resources. AI-powered robots are also being deployed for tasks like planting, harvesting, and sorting crops, increasing efficiency on farms. With the world's population continuing to grow, AI is helping agriculture meet the rising demand for food while minimizing environmental impact. From precision farming to AI-driven supply chain management, the future of agriculture is becoming smarter and more sustainable.